Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Honda carburetor is probably one of the most crucial components for ensuring your small engine runs smoothly, delivering optimal power and fuel efficiency whether you're tackling yard work with a lawnmower, powering a generator, or hitting the trails on an ATV, making the right choice absolutely essential for peak performance and longevity. Number 5. Panari GCV 160 Manual Choke Carburetor for Honda Engines. Introducing the Panari GCV 160 Manual Choke Carburetor. This essential component is designed to keep your Honda engine running smoothly, whether it's powering a lawnmower or a pressure washer. It directly replaces multiple Honda part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your equipment. This kit also includes replacements for your fuel filter and valve, making maintenance simple. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of Honda GCV 160 and GC 160 160 cubic centimeters engines. It also fits specific pressure washer models like the Simpson Megashot MS60773S. Keep your lawn mower running efficiently with this carburetor. It's designed to fit various Honda HRT 216, HRR 216, HRB 216, HRS 216, and HRZ 216 series models. It ensures a precise fit for specific GCV 160 and GCV 160A engine types. Please check your engine serial number for compatibility, especially for units up to SN2225727. This comprehensive kit saves you time and money by providing all necessary components together. You won't need to purchase individual items separately. What we like. This carburetor comes as a comprehensive all-in-one kit, simplifying your maintenance tasks. It includes everything you need for a quick and complete tune-up, saving you time and hassle. If you own a Honda GCV 160 engine in your lawn mower or pressure washer and want a straightforward, complete replacement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Carbhub Carburetor for Honda ATVs. Is your Honda ATV struggling with performance? This premium carburetor is designed to bring it back to life. It ensures optimal fuel-air mixture for smooth operation. It's engineered to fit a range of Honda models. This includes Fortrax 300, Fortrax 350, Foreman 400, Foreman 450, and Rancher 350. Check the specific years for a perfect match. This carburetor directly replaces several OEM part numbers. You can easily find the correct fit for your existing unit. It simplifies the replacement process. It comes with a comprehensive package for a hassle-free installation. You'll receive a throttle base cover, screws, throttle cable, fuel filter, air filter, oil filter, and fuel line. Everything you need is included. We ensure you receive the latest updated version of this product. If you happen to receive an older version, please contact us immediately. Our team is ready to assist you. What we like. Designed specifically for a range of Honda Fortrax, Foreman, and Rancher ATV models, this unit ensures a perfect fit. It comes with essential accessories like fuel and air filters, providing a more complete solution for your off-road machine. If you're an ATV owner looking for a reliable replacement with added tune-up parts for your specific Honda model, this one is tailored for you. What people say. Number 3. Honda GX Engine Carburetor Air Filter Tune-Up Kit. Keep your Honda GX series engine running smoothly with this comprehensive tune-up kit. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This kit is perfectly compatible with a wide range of Honda engines, including the GX 120, GX 140, GX 160, GX 168, and GX 200 models. It supports 5 HP, 5.5 HP, and 6.5 HP engines. The carburetor in this kit is a direct replacement for several Honda part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It's engineered to restore your engine's fuel delivery. Its precise specifications, including a 42mm mounting hole, 19mm core hole, and 24mm choke hole, guarantee seamless integration. This ensures efficient fuel mixing. An essential air filter is also included, replacing multiple Honda part numbers. This component ensures clean air intake, protecting your engine from harmful debris. The package provides everything you need for a thorough tune-up. It includes a carburetor, air filter, fuel filter, gaskets, fuel line, switch, and more. You'll also find a joint fuel filter, spark plug, ignition coil, and insulator. This comprehensive set ensures your engine receives a complete and effective overhaul. What we like. This carburetor is engineered for a wide range of Honda GX series engines, from GX120 to GX200. It offers an incredibly comprehensive tune-up kit, including a spark plug and ignition coil, for a full engine refresh. If you maintain various small engines in the 5-6.5 HP range and need a complete overhaul kit for optimal performance, this package delivers. What people say. Number 2. Hipa GX160 GX200 Predator 212 cubic centimeters carburetor rebuild kit. Is your engine struggling to perform? A faulty carburetor can be the culprit, leading to poor performance and frustrating breakdowns. This carburetor is engineered to perfectly replace various Honda models, including the GX140, GX160, and GX200 engines. It's ideal for your 5 HP, 5.5 HP, or 6.5 HP 4-stroke OHV equipment. It also offers seamless compatibility with Harbor Freight Predator 6.5 HP 212 cubic centimeters OHV engines. This makes it a great choice for your pressure washers, compressors, and tillers. Beyond larger equipment, it's compatible with popular mini bikes like the Coleman CT200U and Baja Warrior. Many other 200 cubic centimeters mini bikes and go-karts can benefit from this replacement. Designed with precision, it features a 42mm mounting hole center-to-center and a 19mm throttle bore. These exact specifications ensure a perfect fit and optimal engine function. Don't let a worn-out carburetor hold you back. Install this high-quality replacement to restore your engine's power and efficiency, ensuring smooth operation every time. What we like. This unit stands out for its exceptional versatility, fitting not only Honda GX engines but also popular Predator 212 cubic centimeters engines. Its broad compatibility extends to mini bikes, go-karts, and various power equipment, making it a highly adaptable choice. If you have a diverse fleet of small engines, including recreational vehicles or Predator power tools, this carburetor offers unmatched cross-platform utility. What people say. Number 1. FitBest Carburetor Kit for Honda GX240 and GX270. Is your Honda GX240 or GX270 engine losing power? This complete carburetor kit is pre-tuned and wet flow tested to bring it back to life. It ensures optimal performance for your 8 HP or 9 HP engine. This comprehensive package includes a carburetor, intake manifold, 3 gaskets, an air filter, and a spark plug. It's your one-stop solution for essential engine maintenance. Designed to perfectly replace Honda part numbers like 16100 ZE2, W71 and 16100 ZH9, W21. It also replaces various air filter part numbers, ensuring a precise fit. Installation is straightforward and requires no modifications. It mounts directly onto your Honda GX240, 7.9 HP, and GX270, 8.4 HP, engines, saving you time and effort. Beyond Honda, it's compatible with many 8-9 HP engines from brands like Predator, Raven, and Generac. This kit also fits various trash pumps and other similar models. From pressure washers and generators to go-karts and snow blowers, this kit powers a wide range of equipment. It's ideal for maintaining many of your essential tools. What we like. Specifically designed for higher horsepower Honda GX240 and GX270 engines, this unit ensures robust performance. It arrives pre-tuned and wet flow tested, guaranteeing optimal functionality right out of the box without extra adjustments. If you operate heavy-duty equipment with 8-9 HP Honda engines and demand a high-quality, ready-to-install carburetor for reliable power, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.